AXIXLINK network integrates input panel, main console, lighting equipment, and onboard devices to create customized signal warning. Need more outputs or inputs? The main console and input unit could be added up to manage more devices. AXIXLINK replaces point-to-point wiring with decentralized CAN bus communication. The cables could be greatly reduced, saving money and installation time. On the back end, the intuitive AXIXLINK software makes configuration a breeze. It is input-oriented programming. How you describe it is how you set it. With functions such as event triggers and logic processing, customized setting with flexibility. Once configured, settings can be saved and duplicated across your fleet for fast deployment. The dashboard provides a real-time overview of all connected devices, including current and voltage readings. Abnormal alerts help identify issues quickly, making troubleshooting more efficient. You can even simulate input actions to test system behavior with simple click of a button. With System Update, AXIXLINK comes with more features and endless possibilities.